Hello, folks. Wanted to give you a little update on what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks. Actually, mostly I did this tonight. Um, so this is my DCC-EX board here. It is an Arduino, of course, an Arduino Mega. I've got my Wi-Fi shield, excuse me, and then I've got my motor shield. This is a DCC-EX motor shield that I ordered directly from them. I forget the model number at the moment. My Wi-Fi shield that I ordered from them should be arriving within the week. But this works very well. The real reason I'm chiming in here is that I kind of had a little bit of a breakthrough. So my plan for my railroad is to use I want to use DCC for the train and the track, and I want to use I2C for everything else. Controlling turnouts, turning lights on and off, sensors. I want that all to be I2C. That's what this board is, this board, and this board is. So this board is a PCA 9685. You can look that up. It is an I2C output board. You can control LEDs and servos with this, and you can link together. I forget the whole number of them. Quite a few. You could do over 150 LEDs and servos, assuming you've got the power for it. But it does not do input. So that's why I have these boards. This board will do input and output. It could essentially replace this board, but I want to have them both because this is going to give me more capability, more devices that I can hook up. And I'm only going to put my sensors on this board. On these, you can chain up to about 20 of them, I believe. My numbers may be way off, but anyway, I'm still learning this stuff. The board that I really want is this one. This is let's see, it is an MPC 23017 I2C board. This is the smaller version of it. It is called a CPF 8574 I2C board. The difference is they both function the same, except for this one has 8 inputs and 8 IO. Excuse me. This one has 8 IO pins, and this one has 16. I tried to get this one working. I could not. Honestly, I think I blew it up. But they're cheap. These are a lot cheaper. But if I could buy just the chip, you can buy just the chip and hook it up too. You don't need the whole board. If you buy just the chip, it's just a matter of setting it up a little bit differently. And it's like $5, and you can get 16 sensors plugged into that. And hook up about 100 of them altogether. I don't know. Just saying. So I'll give you a little demonstration. Right now I have, so this is the input. I have a infrared sensor on that and a push button on that. And over there, I've got my LEDs hooked up to the output board, the PCA 9865. Now watch what happens when I put my hand in front. See? That LED lights up. So this board here is taking the signal from the sensor, and this board here is turning on the LED. So, and then over here, I've just another test I have with a push button. So, there is a way to do some more programming to get that light to stay on. But for now, see, I'm bumping my hand in front of that, so they're both coming on. Some other things I got. Let's see. I did not write the code for this. This came off the DCC-EX website, but that's a a campfire. This will fade an LED in and out. Really, the possibilities are limitless. You can here's the code here. So this is for the let's see. This is the code for the campfire. Let me scroll it up a little bit. So, I mean, all of that, and here's the code for the fade. And then, yeah. So it's just a matter of just writing the sequence and then uploading it with the DCC-EX installer. And then you've got yourself, let's see, here's, this turns them all on. See, it turns them all on. That turns them all off, except for the campfire, that doesn't come off. So anyway, yeah, I might do a video of this portion here, getting the CPF 8574 or the MPC 23017 working in conjunction with the PCA 9685. Because there are no videos on YouTube about that. So that might be why I blew up 3 boards. By the way, I blew up 3 of these boards because there's so much to unplug on this. I had unplugged this and I had unplugged the USB, but there is another cable that plugs into here, and I forgot to unplug that one. So my soldering iron on that had the power still on, and when I touched it, it blew. That's them right there. Those are the bad ones. Only $5, so it's not a big deal. This one, I think, so what happened here, I believe so it made contact with a piece of metal while I was sitting on my workbench and shorted out, and I think that's what blew it. So, yeah, I'm a rookie at this, but good thing is this stuff is cheap. All right, this is getting kind of long. I'll upload it, and hopefully soon I'll have a video together of how I did all this. All right, see y'all soon.